Well, this is it. The calendars have arrived. I've got a box full of calendars. The first lot of calendars are here, and yeah, they're looking great. And I'm going to sign this one. I've just opened the first ever calendar, bounded and ready to go. And I'm going to sign this first one in front of everybody. This is the first calendar ever to be opened and signed, and I'm going to keep this one for a special giveaway or a prize. I'm not sure what, but yeah, keep hold of watching this space, and we'll do this one. But Denise isn't here at the moment, Mrs. C, so I'm going to sign it. I'll get her to sign it when she comes in, and yeah, your orders are on their way, people. I'd like to say thank you before I sign this to everyone that has pre-ordered. It's beyond my expectations. This is the first calendar I've ever produced, as you know. I've been really excited about doing this, and excuse me clothes, I'm in my work clothes, I've just literally come and got these. Yeah, I just want to say thank you for pre-ordering. You can still get these now. They're on the website, Compton, PDphotography.co.uk. If you look in the store, they are on there. And they will be probably until at least the end of the year, maybe January. I'm not sure how long you put them on for. So yeah, you can still get one of these if you want, but I'm afraid you've not got the pre-orders. The pre-orders are all being signed, and it just means we've got a lot of work to do now. Sign them, get them all boxed up, posted, and please send us your photographs of the calendar on the wall, or you know, in your possession. I'd love to see photographs, and I'll put a collection of everybody's pictures together all over the world of you holding me calendar. It'd be brilliant, absolutely made up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm sure Denise will say the same when she comes in later. So right, let's get this one signed. Done. First one in the bag.
Well, I've just got home from my advanced driving lesson, and I'm really chuffed at the fact that the calendars have been delivered today. And I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's bought one of Paul's calendars. It is a massive achievement for him, and something that we've talked about for ages, and at last, you know, his thousands and thousands of images that he's taken over the years, he's finally doing something with them. So I do thank you for that. And my part in it is I've got to sign my name, apparently. So here goes. And there we go.
Right, well, you would have seen Denise has just signed the calendar, so that's both of us signed that now, and yeah, it's all back in its cellophane, ready to be put in its envelope and sent off to somebody. So we will come up with a competition or some way of entering something to win that first ever calendar off the print. Well, not off the print, first one off the print, but the first one out the envelope and been signed. So yeah, we'll definitely do something for that. What I would like to mention is, before I just switch this off, and it is only a quick vlog just to say the calendars are here and ready, and to everyone that's supported us by purchasing one and pre-ordering, you know, they're on their way. I would like to say that me and Jason Jones, our North Wales vlogger, and we've come up with the idea of doing a joint group workshop. We are still finalising the details at the moment, but if you go on my website or Jason's website or either of our Facebooks, you'll see it on there. It's going to be held on the 28th, 29th, no, the 29th, God, let me start again. It's going to be the 29th, 30th and the 1st of December. So it's the 29th, 30th of November and the 1st of December 2019. So that's in a couple of months' time. It's first come, first serve. The first people to pay the deposits will get the slots. There's a maximum of 6 people. I'm going to be hiring some accommodation for us. There's going to be breakfast laid on. We'll also drive you to the locations in the daytime. We're going to be doing Dinorwig Quarry. We're going to be doing Llynidwell at Llynogwyn, and all around that area. We're going to be doing rivers, waterfalls, lakes, a little bit of mountain walking. Like I say, Dinorwig Quarry, going to the slate quarries. We're also going to have a look at Llyndinas and other places like that. Watkins Path, we'll do a little bit of that. So there's going to be a full-on weekend, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Both me and Jason Jones. So hopefully, yeah, there will be a short trailer coming out for this as soon as we can get one put together. So yeah, this is just to say it's available, it's there. Check out our website, check out our Facebook, and like I said, it's the first 6 people to contact us and come up with a deposit gets the slots. This is the first time we're going to do it. If it works, we will be doing more of them. So yeah, till next time, don't forget, like and share this one. Someone might be interested in seeing it, and if you haven't got a calendar and you want a calendar, get on the website, because there's not going to be many left unless I buy another load. So yeah, till next time, ciao, thanks, bye.